Let me tell you about a big wave coming out of Africa. 8 miles long and 8 miles wide. Don't matter the big wave, what religion you may choose. The big wave is gonna take you two by two. There ain't no place to run to, there ain't no place to go, there ain't no place to hide now. The big wave is gonna know. Big wave started as a thought in one man's head. He looked out a window one morning, said, Lord, what have we done? Won't you send down a big wave, make it handsome, strong and true? Take us all to paradise, gonna take us two by two. There ain't no place to run to, there ain't no place to go, there ain't no place to hide now. The big wave is gonna know. Over this tiny land, took everything before it, every woman and every man. When the big wave finished upon this promised earth, it took them all to paradise. You know, we took them two by two. There ain't no place to run to, there ain't no place to go, there ain't nowhere to hide now. The big wave is gonna go. Let me tell you about the big wave coming out of Africa. Send down to save us, sent down to take us home. When it all was over, this good old earth should smile. Thank you, Lord, you saved my soul when you took them two by two. There ain't no place to run to, there ain't no place to go, there ain't nowhere to hide now. The big wave is gonna know. There ain't no place to run to, there ain't no place to go, there ain't nowhere to hide now. The big wave is gonna